Ah shit!
Okay, JP was there, bro.
I hit the thing. I hit the pole.
You open it, JP.
Take two. Last take. I'm on one take one. One take wonder.
One take wonder, baby.
See you later.
Welcome to the lifestyle, baby.
Day number 4. On the way to Plitvice. What a lovely day. It's a bit warm though. Bit warm for my liking. Are we ready, boys? Are you driving? Okay.
Driving for the back.
Uh,
the way back there.
Could do.
Drive now.
Could do. Don't mind. Whatever. I'll drive whenever you need me to drive, man.
Hey, Jason.
What's up?
I should have put it in the freezer.
You guys need the key?
You drive.
Jason Mango.
So
hot.
So hot.
Who's sitting front? No one?
I'll turn on the car, please.
Turn on the AC.
It's so hot.
Oh, you want it at the front? Yeah, bro.
Just don't let him play your music. His music, please.
I'm throwing him out the car. Alec, you have the keys, yeah? Yeah, I got the keys. Both of them. Same.
Isaiah,
Huh?
Oh, that's hot.
Oh, that's hot. Let me speak onto the camera. Zamwa. What's up?
Jay.
Mr. Miyagi.
What up? We just got to. Where did we get to?
What the fuck, you know?
Sure, yeah, the national park. We're about to go on a walk. Cause you know we love walking. So one thing we did, welcome guys to my YouTube channel. This is me with a lot of enthusiasm because Jake apparently hated my energy. This is me talking, this is Jason, this is everyone. Everyone seems in high energy. Everyone was asleep in the car. Yeah, so it's gonna be so fun. It's gonna be amazing. I'm not making fun of anyone at all. But it's gonna be great. Really. Really. Let's see. The toilet, you guys wanna see the toilet? It's amazing. Croatian toilet. Nah. What is there more to say, really? You guys excited for it? Zamina? Yeah.
Yes, I am.
JP? Alec? Maybe. Ooh, ambiguous. I like it. And Leorom's guys GoPro.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. He's ready to climb some shit.
9 out of 10, Leorom.
But yeah, it's gonna be a fun times. We look like the same because we're all wearing, a lot of us just wearing shirts.
Me and Jay.
Yeah, Jason and Leorom are different. Out of the pack.
We didn't get the memo.
Yeah, I mean I did invite Jason to wear a shirt, but I chose to be a loner.
I'm ripping the fruit crew. This guy's are all flowers.
Yeah, I think
I'm more of a fruit man.
yeah, mine is just leaves and flowers, as you can see. But we all look like Asian tourists, so you know, it's not hard to, really not hard to, if you get lost, to see this. Yeah, yeah, it's gonna be great.
Yes, I'm sure.
Oh, sorry. So we're going to Plitvice National. Perfect, did it. Yeah, man. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. And we're gonna be burnt. Before, like, show yourself, Aisha, before and after. There you go.
This is before?
Yeah, before. Jason's gonna be black after, so watch out for that.
just bought our tickets. Now we're deciding on which track to go on. There's quite a few choices actually, but depending on how much time everyone wants to put in on walking.
I'm committed, dedicated, motivated.
I don't mind.
This is what we get.
koju proizvodi taj voda, pa koju možete vidjeti na televiziji.
80,000 meters.
Yeah. So it's a few hours of walking in the sun. So
4 to 6.
If it shades like this, I don't
yeah,
mind.
if it's
If it's shade, oh my god.
But in the sun, I can't do it.
Look at that. Oh man.
Now that's a view.
Oh man.
That's a view.
I want to see it in real life. In real life without missing glasses.
There we go. This is what we're privileged to see.
Thank you, B. This is so tight. Come on that phone. I really wish the sun.
Don't mind me, guys. Don't mind me.
What you'll see is not the pump, it's the tsunami that he creates every time he steps.
Shoot. It's always a Dyson.
Just boarded a ferry,
Show me.
and this guy's catching every angle there. I think this ferry is just gonna bring us to another port. It looks like we're in Jurassic World.
Colin's just gonna come out and wave.
I'll just say.
I swear.
And then he's gonna get used up.
Yeah. Are these islands like cut off? I think they're together.
He did it himself. He shaped it.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, man, it was very slow moving in the water. Took us to point A to point B, I guess.
So what does point B have to offer?
Like 3 more hours of walking, I guess.
Well, no, not necessarily. It's probably like an hour's walking and 3 hours taking photos.
Oh, right, of course.
Because, you know, for the Instagram.
Role model is here, man, apparently.
Apparently. Yeah, look, it's a boy band. the florals. I'm in the white, so I'll be the manager.
You're the manager.
It's not going well. Might have to let you guys go. I need new clients.
We're a K-pop band. We're a K-pop group.
What do you mean we're a boy band?
The upcoming
Put a single coming out.
I'm gonna head my own way. Like Tai Yang.
Can you take the chain down?
I think Tai Yang went his own way, right? I don't know.
Are you breaking up the band already? We haven't even made our first single yet.
5 hours in and everyone's pretty beat. I don't think we'll be walking back. I think we'll be riding a bus down to where we came from. I mean, beautiful place. But I'm tired. I'm tired. I think this is where we ride our bus home. End of the trail. This is our bus stop. Station 3.
I should have parked it here.
End of the line, boys.
Oh, okay. I know what's yours in line.
How you feeling?
Tired, man.
That's not bad. I'm not even tired. I just want to play volleyball. I want to swim.
I want to swim, yeah.
You're sticky.
You know.
How many?
Injured.
I didn't even do it.
Out for another season.
No, that was mine and Ace.
Yeah, mine is.
Right, man, I like it.
We have to go from here to here.
So what happened?
So that's the entrance where we parked.
Restored.
You still gotta
We walked the pink lines.
We still have to walk. What do you mean? I thought we could catch the show.
onto the boat.
Yeah, we're gonna
Following
we're gonna be
the blue checkered line.
We're gonna be dropped there. Then we have to walk.
Well, yeah,
End of
checkered line. And then we stopped off here first, thinking that, oh yeah, we can go through that way, but no, we have to cross that gap on towards the top of the mountain.
And this is where we are at the moment.
Oh, my bad.
Oh man.
It's gonna go all the way back down.
Long day. Long day. Here's our ride. This is taking us home.
Jurassic Park.
Nah, I think we have to be here. Front.
Careful. Imagine the entrance. There's caves down there. Do you want to go?
6 hours in.
Survive.
We've actually done 6 hours of this.
Barely.
And we're trying to look for the car park, but
Restarting again?
But we found this. I think we're still on the trail.
Jump, JP.
Not sure if we got off the wrong stuff or whatever, but
How do I do this? Or just press?
6 hours in, still going strong.
Or are we?
Or are we here?
Or are we? Just look at your face.
We got off at we got off the bus looking thing and everyone fell asleep on that one.
Question is, Jay, did you fall asleep?
No, I was too busy editing vlogs and you know what I mean. You know,
I have another question. For you, Jay.
vlogger life 24/7. God.
Subscribe.
But I mean, you know, just gotta appreciate. And we're back. That's it after nearly 6 hours and a half of walking about.
6 hours and a half.
Yeah.
Oh, that was actually quite accurate. 4 to 6 hours, right?
Well, yeah. Yeah, actually, yeah.
Yeah.
Route C. 4 to 6 hours. We traveled 8,000 meters.
I don't know what that is.
8,000 steps, eh? 8,000 steps, yo.
It's a lot of steps, man.
I need to recover.
It's a lot of
You
steps.
better be cooking some good shit tonight, eh?
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
What's on the menu anyway?
We'll see. I'll have to look at. We'll have to look at a recipe, I guess.
Jay,
How? 16,000 according to your Apple Watch.
yeah. 12.8 kilometers.
Okay. Well,
I burned. Wait, let me check how many.
better be good food tonight, then, eh?
Let's see.
Okay. Well, everyone seems exhausted.
I burned 919 calories.
I've still got to drive back, so fun. While you'll be sleeping at the back.
Yeah, I'll try to be sleeping a little bit around 5.
Oh, what the heck happened there? It's been good. It's been good, Plitvice. Until next time.